Hey, it's Matthew, and let's open up the Hot Wheels 2020 P case. I want to give a huge shout out to Trendy County for sending this case over. They ship worldwide, so check them out. In the US, you can get cases from One Stop Diecast and A&J Toys. So let's open this case up. So the super for this case is the Pagani, and the regular is a Chevy Silverado. So the first three cars are the I Believe, the 91 GMC Cyclone, and the 17 Pagani Wire Roadster. This is the regular. Then we have the 96 Chevrolet Impala SS, the 18 Dodge Challenger SRT Demon, and the Aisle Driver. Then we have the Skyboat, the McLaren P1, and the Aston Martin 177. Next three are the Croc Rod, the Chevy Silverado, this is the Treasure Hunt, and the Flintstones the Flintmobile. Then we have the 16 Lamborghini Centenario Roadster, the 2020 Koenigsegg Jesko, and the Honda S2000. Halfway into the case, we have the Roller Toaster, the 99 Ford F-150 SVT Lightning, and the 98 Honda Prelude. Then we have the Radical Racer, the Muscle Bound, and the 2020 Ram 1500 Rebel. Then we have the Croc Rod, the Grand Cross, and the 20 Jeep Gladiator. Then we have the Quick Bite, the McLaren P1, and the Jaguar XV SV Project 8. Getting to the bottom of the case, we have a High Beam, 69 Dodge Charger 500, and a 19 Chevy Silverado Trail Boss LT. Then we have the Porsche 914 Safari, the 10 Toyota Tundra, and the Datsun Bluebird Wagon 510. And the last three cars of the first half are the 96 Chevrolet Impala SS, the Custom 11 Camaro, and the 57 Plymouth Fury. Now onto the second half. We have the Nissan Silvia S13, the 2020 Ram 1500 Rebel, and the Aston Martin 177. Then we have a Toyota 2000 GT, another 2020 Koenigsegg Jesko, and a 70 Chevelle SS. Then we have a Mazda RX-3, a Runway Res Q, and a Custom Auto. Next up is a Skull Shaker, the Radical Racer, and the Hologram. Then we have the Porsche 914 Safari, the 68 Shelby GT500, and the 19 Corvette Z01 convertible. Then we have the Quick Bite, the Jaguar XE SV Project 8, and another Datsun 510 Bluebird wagon. Then we have a Velocita, a Cruise Bruiser, and a 67 Camaro. Then we have an El Vinto, McLaren Senna in white, and an 18 Dodge Challenger SRT Demon. The Super would be found in last case. Then we have the 91 GMC Cyclone, the Eric Steen Rod, and the 19 Corvette Z01 convertible. The High Beam, the 99 Ford F-150 SVT Lightning, and the 19 Chevy Silverado Trail Boss LT. Then we have another 67 Camaro, a McLaren Speedtail, and another McLaren Senna. And the last three cars of this case are the Roller Toaster and two Duck and Rolls. I did not get the Super in my case, but here's what the Super would look like. So you can see the big difference in the color. The Super's a lot darker than the regular, and the wheels are a lot different. Back's the same, and there's no different tampos on the Super. And the card's pretty hard to tell from far away, but then you can just see the car. And then the TH is on the back. So the giveaway for this case is 99 Ford F-150 SVT Lightning and the 67 Camaro. In order to be entered for the giveaway, 1. Like and subscribe. Only verified subscribers will be able to win. 2. Comment below I love Hot Wheels. And 3. Forward this video to 2 people. So my favorite cars from this case is the 98 Honda Prelude, the Nissan Silvia S13, the Flintstones Flintmobile, the 16 Lamborghini Centenario Roadster, the Mazda RX-3, and the Porsche 914 Safari. Then we have the Chevy Silverado. This is a treasure hunt. And the 17 Pagani Huayra Roadster. So thanks for watching. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe, and tell me your favorite cars from this 2020 P case.